about Uber and Lyft. In Massachusetts, that it started to have $32.50 per hour guaranteed. So what happened was I did some ride for Lyft as a driver. This is my Lyft sticker. So what happened was the payment was lower than 32.5. Then the Lyft adjusted and then paid the next week the difference. So I only had one ride, but luckily it was below 32.5. Then Lyft did pay the difference. So I just want to let people know I don't know other states, but if you're in Massachusetts and they want to do Uber or Lyft, you do get adjustment at the end. And then I've seen it in Uber app as well as Lyft. Lyft does email the difference between what you're supposed to get paid now, which is 32.5, and then the Uber adjusted fee, so you kind of be able to see. Other thing I want to feature is for Lyft, when you're a driver, when you're driving, there's an option to stay within the area, which is new, which Uber does not have it. It's very good. So if you want to just stay in like 5 miles like radius, you can do that, but you can only do it twice, and then it has 2 hours limit. And basically, if you have something right after or in between, and if you don't want to go all the way to like city, and then you just want to stay in the suburban area that you are in, you can just move where the center location is, and then just put the radius to 5 miles to 20 miles or whatever. So then Lyft only matches the people that's close to you, and then you can do a short ride. But again, even if it's a short ride, the moment that you put you accept the ride, and then that starts your hours as like 32.5. So it's not like you are on the app and then when you're waiting somebody, and that's not the time that you're getting paid. So just be sure to uh, know that you have this opportunity as a Lyft and Uber driver. And Lyft does have Women Plus Connect, which is the option when you go on driver's app. And hello, uh, so when you go on a driver's app, in the bottom there's a Women Plus Connect. If you're a female driver, you can click on it, you can keep it on. You cannot get 100% female passengers, but you do get a lot more female passengers than if you don't have that turned on. You can definitely turn it off, but I highly recommend turning it on at all time, because then you do get both female and male passengers. Um, if you have any question about Uber or Lyft, DoorDash, you can comment and I can answer it if you're interested in starting the side hustle. One thing that I need to share is a TNT inspection, which is basically not the state inspection that you have, but you have to empty your car and you have to go to specific gas station or some place that you do the TNT inspection, and then you have to take the picture after your car is inspected, and then otherwise you wouldn't be able to drive or Lyft. I think Uber doesn't have that. Oh yeah, Uber too. And they do random background check, which is good. As a passenger, like you definitely want to have a driver who is not a criminal and has a criminal background record and stuff. So they do have some random check. What I like about Lyft is they do have Massachusetts, so for instance, state background check, and also national. So if you ever committed crime somewhere else than Massachusetts, they will stop you, and then so that the passenger will be protected. What does it say? Because of what? I love your lives. Follow your dreams. Oh, thank you so much. Um, this is just a random talk, and I have like about 5 minutes before my appointment, but I just wanted to share how good it is. I know that our Attorney General Andrew Campbell in Massachusetts has after in our office and in previous office really fought for this to get the drivers uh, you know, $32, $32.5 an hour is fantastic. And then again, if you're getting paid less than that amount, they did adjust. So I didn't not believe, but like I didn't like really know how it works. But again, like you do 1 hour drive. The moment that you accept the ride, and you go to that person's location, which might take you like 10-15 minutes to get to that person, that time is you're getting paid. And then obviously when the passenger's in, you're getting paid, and until you drop somebody off. So that's active time. So that's when you get $32.5 an hour. And then what I like about Lyft and Uber obviously is you can do any time of your day, and then usually, like, I would say any time of the day, um, you get request even at night. And then if you don't have any restriction to go to the airport ride or like long distance ride, um, definitely take it. So that's another thing. What did you say? Hello, pretty mama. Oh, thank you so much. I just got my haircut done. So, anyways, so if you have any question about um doing Uber or Lyft rideshare. So this is again my Lyft sticker, and then I have Toyota Prius, which helps for the gas mileage because like it drives like about 450 miles per tank, which is about 20-25 bucks. And if you go to BJ's gas station, you save a lot of money too. One thing I really want to mention is insurance. So when you do rideshare, I highly recommend getting um, it's called TNT insurance. So I don't know what it stands for. It's extra insurance, but the loophole this insurance is that so you basically are high risk driver, and I've never gotten injury or anything till past like August that somebody T-boned me when I picked up McDonald's, and then actually on the way to my PT appointment due to the accident, the 17-year-old like backed into my smashed into my car when I picked up after I picked up McDonald's for DoorDash. So what people don't talk about it is that there are stages. Even if you have this extra insurance from your car insurance, they do not cover your medical. They do cover collision. So DoorDash, I didn't know when I was chatting with the DoorDash customer service. They didn't tell me uh, where I can claim this medical bills. I found out through my PT's office, luckily, and then it's called Blue Star Claim. And then obviously, if you're not 100% at fault, which was my case, the driver who caused the accident, at the end of the day, they would pay. But at the beginning, you need to pay first, and then go after the other party's insurance company. So what happens is, oh, hi, hello. Uh, you see Canadian. I've been to Canada before. But anyways, so the point is just be careful when you want to do rideshare hustle that you have extra protection. And however, the period one, which is waiting period, and period two is when you're stopped and then the passenger is coming into your car of food. Then that is the period that TNT like insurance would cover your medical as well. But my stage was stage three, period three, which is when the food is in your car, when the passengers are in your car, then they don't pay your medical. So then you have to go after Uber or Lyft or DoorDash insurance company so that they would cover your medical. But again, collision will be covered from your personal car insurance. And then again, I've been doing this for about 10 years, this side hustle, and I never had an accident. I never had an accident doing this ride share till August. So I just want to let you know it's convenient. You can do it at any time that you have extra time, even if you have a regular job. Just make a couple money here and there. I'm single mom or two, so it's kind of hard for me to do it like 24 hours. But then when you do have time, um, you know, it's great ways to make money, and they pay weekly and direct deposit uh Monday or Tuesday the next week. So you work say Sunday, no, you work Monday to Sunday, and then next week weekly Uber and Lyft, so as DoorDash, uh, can pay you directly to your bank account that you connect, and it's really convenient. And then they do have a cash out option. So if you want to withdraw the money that you earned, for instance, this week, it's an extra money, and then you can withdraw it right away, cash out it. What is it saying? Um, what day do you work in? So, what city? So I'm in around Boston. So if you Boston area, but I do like Massachusetts. So if you are Massachusetts driver since August 15th of this year, 2024, it's guaranteed $32.5 for Lyft and Uber, not DoorDash. So then again, the way that it works is if you're underpaid, Uber or Lyft has to adjust. And I've seen the adjustment come the next week. So for instance, if you get paid $100, but then it's insufficient to 32.5, then a week or two later you get extra adjustment money directly deposited to your bank account from Lyft and Uber too. So it's great. I highly recommend if you're looking for a side hustle. I don't know the car make model restriction, but again, you need to have clean driver's record, and then no criminal record, obviously. And then you do have to get this TNT inspection, not just the regular state inspection. And then you do have to take a picture. You can take a picture on your phone, and then you can just upload it on your Uber drivers app and Lyft drivers app. So it's pretty easy. And then I would say the customer service on Uber has a little bit changed, because nowadays they don't take the phone call, but they do have a chat, and then after you chat, people can contact. Hi. So anyways, I just wanted to go over kind of side hustle ways, and then I've done it for 10 years. I've done hello, I've done Grubhub, I've done Lyft, I've done Uber, I've done Instacart and DoorDash and Amazon Flex. But I would say overall DoorDash is pretty good. Uber, Lyft again is 32.5 an hour, so you can't beat that. And yeah, so I had to go to my appointment, but I just wanted to share some of the real story of being a Uber and Lyft driver. And yeah, give a shot if you're interested in driving people around. Thank you.